Okay, as you can see, what I'm going to do is carry the this will be the top of my sleep platform, 3/4 inch plywood. I'll have a second runner just like this, 30 inches over from the outside wall, and you see this lip here, that's going to carry my drawer. It'll be the slide for my drawer. It'll be full length drawer. I'm gonna have 1x4 slats across here with dowel pins that can be taken apart, lifted out. Basically, you'll have the 2 runners, those units. You'll have 5 runners, slats across the top. So that's 7 pieces, plus the plywood. Probably do the plywood in 2 pieces, just so it's smaller to stack. That's basically what we're looking at doing. So there you go. We'll figure out what 30 inches is. Should be to that slat. There we go. So may go just slightly wider than 30 inches. That's 32. The mattresses that I've located, the memory foam 4-inch foldable mattresses, I think are 29, 32, 34, or 36. So, you know, a 29, 32 would be perfect. But I think that's what we're gonna go with there. And now you'd have your slats that are gonna come across here. I'll drill a dowel and glue the dowel in this rail with a hole in the slat that'll mount up, and that'll lock these 2 pieces together. There'll be 5 of those. Okay, so there you go. The only thing left to do is build the drawer. Be 18 inches wide, 18 inches wide, probably 9 inches deep, and that's 68 inches from here to the head of the bed. 3/4 inch birch plywood. I'm gonna take this inside and glue up the dowels. The dowels will be glued obviously to the rails, and then the slats just lay in, and they're numbered 1 through 5. But all this was 2 1x4s, 8 foot long, and I had about 3 feet left over. 2 2x4s, 10 foot long, and then I got 2 1x6s, 6 foot long, and cut, I don't know, about 4 inches off. But the overall is 68 inches to give me a little bit of room back here at the tailgate to close, so we don't have a problem. I'll have a face to the drawer where it'll close against these 2x4s with a recessed pull handle. But that's it. That gives me enough room on the passenger side of the bed for foot space. I'll end up building a panel on this side with the plywood to come down in front of the wheel well with 4 or 5 holes, and I'm just going to use the bed of the truck for the back side, and I'll put some dividers in there that'll mount to the wall of the toolbox, to the truck bed. That'll be permanent. All my power will be back here, or a shelf for my jackery. I hadn't decided whether I'm going to do a dual battery or not. Probably just for portability and be able to use the jackery when we tent camp and rooftop tent camp. We may just leave the jackery where it's portable, and I can use it for multiple uses and multiple setups. So there you go.